Today we're going to be making shakshuka. It's a great dish to have for breakfast or any meal, served with some pita bread or sourdough or some rustic bread like a baguette. Let's see how it's made and let's look at the ingredients. We will need 1 large red pepper or red bell pepper, 1 medium-sized tomato, or in my case I have some cherry tomatoes. I use some cherry tomatoes. You can use both cherry and regular tomatoes or just any types of tomatoes you have. 3 eggs, some garlic, a zest of a lemon, some parsley or cilantro. Also about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. For the spices we'll be using paprika and some salt. To cook the egg we will be using olive oil. We will start our preparation process by crushing some garlic. After crushing the garlic, we finely chop them. The rest of the preparation is pretty straightforward. We chop the tomato, chop the red bell pepper, and at the end we'll be zesting the lemon and adding the parsley leaves. And that's all the preparation you need to head to the stove. We will start our cooking process by adding olive oil to the frying pan. Once the oil is hot enough, we will be adding the red bell peppers. Mix in the red pepper well and cook until they have softened a little bit. Once your pepper have softened a little bit, it's time to add in the tomatoes. Once your tomatoes have softened a little bit and released some of their water, it's time to add in the garlic. For anyone preferring some heat in the dish and they have a fresh chilies, this is the time to add them with the garlic. Once the water in the tomatoes has evaporated, it's time to start squeezing those tomatoes. Now it's time to add in the tomato paste. Mix in the tomato paste well and let it reduce. Again, if you're looking to add some heat to the dish and all you have is some dried chili like red chili flakes, this is the time to add them with the tomato paste. Once the tomato paste is integrated, add a new paprika. Mix in the paprika well. Add in your salt and continue mixing. After about 15 minutes of cooking and stirring, it's time to add in some water. Hot water. It is time now to lower the heat and let that mixture reduce to about half in about 15 minutes. It should look like this after the reduction. It's time now to make some space or some room for the egg and crack one inside. Repeat that 2 times. A side note, you don't need to move your frying pan off the heat to crack in the eggs. I did that for demonstration, just to show you better how to do the circle and crack the eggs, but you don't need to move it out of the heat. You can do it while it's on the stove. And this will be the end result. The only thing left is to add in the cilantro or the parsley or the coriander, whatever you have. Followed by the lemon zest. In my case, I added a whole lemon. This was my recipe for shakshuka. I hope you try it. It's really great. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them down below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel and sharing the video with anyone who likes shakshuka. Thank you all for watching to the end, and I will see you in the next video.